Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, a rough day. Now, granted, the entire markets had a rough day, so it's not like the markets were booming, and then all of a sudden NIO was having this sort of day. But it is what it is. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains still. It's just not relevant anymore. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that needs to be done, and certainly plays a role in today's movement, is right here at this level. And this rule just states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $7 was that area of support that, going into the day. And then the price gapped down below it. So with the gap down below it, you'd expect it to act as resistance. And that is exactly what happened today. Price failed. And then price failed a couple of times this afternoon. Now, granted, the price was able to actually get up above 7, but the problem just became every time it did get above it, it's like someone flipped the switch and the momentum just disappeared. So $7 is not necessarily the area that is holding down the price, but it's just a level where the price can break above it, but staying up above it has been the problem. But the point here being, on any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, $7 now that key level to watch. In the event that level can be broken, next key level of resistance after that would be the purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average, currently valued at 728. Now, as far as areas of support, two levels stand out. The one I'm just going to map here, or map out without an actual annotation. But right here at the 680 mark, 680 going to be that preferable level, meaning, Clay, what would make the chart look the best? Definitely if the price can stay above there. If it does not hold above it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's ruined, because you still have that pink line down there, the 200-period moving average, you can see actually right there. Beautiful bounce off that area. But that is more so the overarching level of support, currently valued at 658. So yes, today, a bearish day, but the entire markets were bearish. But let's see if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.